Vicrez is now offering pre-cut PPF protective film wrap kits. Why spend up to $3,000 to get the front of your vehicle wrapped when for under $500 you can purchase a Vicrez PPF kit and install it yourself by following along our PPF training videos. We have pre-cut PPF kits for just about every car model, make and year. Protect your car today.
So one of the cool things about our pre-cut kit film, the top coat is hydrophobic. It does have a ceramic coating on top. So not only do you get protection from any scratching or I guess abrasiveness against your film or dings, you also get a ceramic coating layer on top, which means your water will beat up and just roll straight down. It makes maintaining the film and keeping your car clean a lot easier, so you can avoid all those drive-through car washes, your car looking dirty all the time. This is an example of an edge that doesn't have ceramic coating. The water just pulls up and glasses all the way down, whereas to the door, which has our film on it, the water just beads up and rolls down. It keeps the car clean almost always. A quick rinse with water, soap, and it'll all bead off. So because of the ceramic coating on top and the clear coat on the top layer of the film, if you have colors like this vinyl wrapped on your vehicle or any color, it gives it that extra shine and a lot glossier as if it was just painted, and it allows the car to pop a lot more, especially in the sunlight.